MCP Lurky, which was developed by Xyber, just went online and is accessible. Let's take a quick review of its possibilities and show how the X402 protocol works with a real deployed service and the agent. Okay, we have a couple of free-to-use endpoints here. For example, the health endpoint, which just returns the status. That's simple. Another endpoint, which is free for use, will be the pricing endpoint. That one comes for every MCP server developed by Xyber. It provides you an information about the pricing. As you can see, we have 3 endpoints listed here, prices for them. Also, we have the token address. That one is USDT, basically, and the chain ID, Ethereum mainnet in our case. And the token amount, this roughly equals 1 cent per call. So we have, oh, I meant to say 10 cents. So we have 3 endpoints here, the search, the spaces and latest summaries. And if I try to access them from Swagger, even if I come up with some query, I will receive an error. Error 402, which means payment required. It just tells me that I have no payment header, so I cannot use that particular endpoint for free. Which is also true for the rest of the endpoints. No matter if I try to access that one or latest summaries, for example, I will receive an error. And that makes sense because we have X402 protocol here, which is enabled, so you have to pay for the possibilities this server provides. There is a various way, like plenty of opportunities to build your own custom X402 client. For example, you can visit the Xyber repository and find an example of such a client, of such a buyer. But for my personal usage, I have just created a custom tool, which I use with my Cloudy code, because Cloudy code is being used widely by me for programming. So I have a small Python script, which allows me to tell some commands to Cloudy, and in this particular case, we will just give him that URL and say him, "Hi Cloudy, please access that website, look at the API and explore server's capabilities." That would be our first request. Cloudy will now gather and compress all the information, so we have like a quick summary upon that server. Yeah, here it is. So Lurky MCP server has some REST endpoints, and also we were able to fetch some MCP tools via /MCP mounted path, so we can see the price, 10 cents for those 3 tools available, and also our pricing endpoints, which comes for free. Yeah, okay, we have also the schema for the return data, and we also have the payment information. Now let's ask Cloudy, can you please access those 3 paid endpoints, receive the data they provide, and attach web links to the transactions which were made. This will take another couple of seconds. We can see row requests here. First query was about crypto, second is about Ethereum, and we also were able to fetch some space ID here, which we can check on the x.com. Actually, while my engine is running, I think I can do it myself. Yeah, I can clearly see we have that space ended just 5 hours ago about the Bitcoin. And the agent has just received some raw data, the information. It's not very readable and human-friendly. Obviously, that's because endpoints were made for AI agents. But at the very end, we will, of course, get a quick summary of that information. Okay, let's see, all 3 endpoints were called successfully, and here are the transactions. Let's review the first one. It should be 10 cents. Yeah, that one went just 1 minute ago, and we have a transfer from my wallet to API holder wallet. Yeah, that landed perfectly. Also, if we talk about data, yep, we have just found 5 spaces for the crypto search and their titles. We have 2 space summaries and participants. And also, if we try to get space details about that one particular space, we can see the creator, the participants, that one was rather a big one, topics, Bitcoin was the primary topic as I suggest. Yeah, so basically all those endpoints are fully working. Jamie Miner was the host. Can we review it? Yeah, the creator is just the same, so I assume all the tools are working correctly indeed.